Hi, Will, Mr. Clutch Beta here with McLeod Racing. I want to show you one of the cool gadgets we use for testing torque clutch holding capacity. This right here, for example, we have our 7 1/4 single disc. What we've done with this is we got proprietary friction material. We want to know how much torque this clutch will hold. So this torque machine is actually, there's a lot of angles on this thing, and that's how we're able to calculate accurate torque holding capacity. I'm going to show you real quick how this thing works. We've got this clutch on here. We lock it up. We start pumping it up. Okay. You're not going to see, if you watch over here, you can see this arm starting to move. Okay. Now go over to the dial, and that dial's set up for torque holding. So what you're going to read is foot-pounds. When this thing stops moving, that's when we know the breakaway. Okay. So right there, that's it. That's what this single disc will hold in torque holding capacity. As we put more disc on it, we can build it up. If we go too far, well, we can change the gauge. With this tool here, this is how we can stay a step ahead of the competition, knowing exactly what our clutches will hold. For more information, visit McLeodracing.com.